We are wearing beautiful embroidered shirts.
All these patterns are considered as a national symbol and talisman against evil. It is a genetic code of Ukraine.
The Day of Embroidery is our national holiday. We celebrate it on the 19th of May.
In the period of war, this holiday gives us a special feeling of unity.
We write letters to the heroes who are at the front now, and we pray for them.
We wish the war ended and dream for peace.
Thank you for joining us at the 19th of May and wearing embroidered shirts together with us.
Please support Ukraine in the inspiration towards peace.
Bye!